Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of Data Science Test 3 quizzes. In this part, we'll pick up right where we left off and tackle the remaining questions step by step. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out for the earlier solutions. Alright, let's dive straight into the next question. So, our first question is, in K means clustering, if you choose K equal to 3K equal to 3K equal to 3 and start with the 5 data points, how many initial cluster assignments will be there? The answer is 5. Next question is, in decision tree, if a dataset contains 100 data points and there are 5 features, how many possible splits could the decision tree explore for each node in the tree? Answer is option A, 5. In hierarchical clustering, if there are initially 10 clusters, how many steps will be taken to reach just one cluster? Answer is option A, 9. In principal component analysis, PCA reduces a dataset with 100 features to 5 principal components. How many dimensions are retained after PCA? So the answer is option B, 5. If K means clustering is applied with K equal to 4K equal to 4K equal to 4 clusters on data set of 500 data points and each cluster has 125 points, what is the total number of data points across all clusters? So answer is option number C, that is 500. In a decision tree, if there are 5 nodes each with a binary decision, how many different paths can you take from the root to leaves? Answer is option C, 32. You can read out the explanation for yourself if you want. Given a data set with 1000 data points, if a k means clustering algorithm results in 3 clusters with the following data point distribution: 200, 400 and 400, what is the average number of data points per cluster? Answer is option B, 300. In support vector machines, if the margin between the support vectors and the hyperplane is 5 units and there are 10 support vectors, what is the total margin distance for all support vectors? Answer is option B, 10. Next question is, if you perform K means clustering with 3K with K equal to 3K equal to 3K equal to 3 and mean squared error MSE for each of the 10 or each of the 3 clusters is as follows: 2, 5 and 8. What is the total MSE for the clustering? Answer is option D, sorry, 15. You train a model with 1000 data points. If the training error is 0 0.1 and the test error is 0 0.2, what is the bias variance trade-off in this case? So the answer is option B, low bias and high variance. A decision tree has 10 features and 1000 data points. If the maximum depth of the tree is 5, how many nodes can the tree have at most? The answer is option C, 31. Next question is, you are comparing two models, model A and model B. Uh, Model A has training time of 10 minutes and a test accuracy of 85%, while model B has a training time of 15 minutes and a test accuracy of 80%. Based on data, which model is more efficient? The answer is option A. Model A is more efficient because it has faster training time in a decision tree. If a data set, so answer is completed. Next question is, in a decision tree, if a data set with 1000 data points is a is, if is split at a node and results in three groups which with the following sizes: 200, 300 and 500, what is Guinea impurity for this node? Answer is option A 0.4. You are tasked with building a convolutional neural network CNN for image classification with images of size 32 into 32 pixels. If your CNN has 3 cross 3 kernel and you apply a stride of 2, what will the output size of the first convolutional layer be? The answer is option B 14 cross 14. If we are so we have reached to the end of this uh, video containing solutions of test 3 quiz. So if we see the last question, if you are using a recruitment neural network RNN for sequence data and the sequence length is 500, how many time steps does RNN processes if it processes one data point at a time? So the answer is option A 50. Thank you for watching the video.